OK，好，咁啊，跟住咧，我哋就到 Part B2 嘅部分啦。OK，咁啊，其實咧，我覺得呢篇文都幾好睇嘅。OK，係啦，咁啊，我哋咧又係先從一啲可能你會比較錯咗個位置啦，咁我哋去睇好啦。譬如講緊第57條，咁喺呢度講乜嘢咧？佢講緊咧in lines 1 to 2，好啦，咁啊，the student points out that。咧呢一個人啊，阿盧梭係啦，有冇記錯嘅話係啦，咁啊就係一個嗰啲法國嘅哲學家啦，咁啊盧梭佢講緊咧一個人啊係 is undermining himself 嗱，咁佢原句係講緊咩咧？咁啊睇佢原句咧就係講緊，如果一個人啊佢咧去 reflect is 一個 depraved animal，OK 係啦，咁啊所以成件事咧係一件嗱，首先 depraved 呢個字可能你未必識嘅，但係咧呢個位咧我哋有一個字 undermine，OK 係啦，undermine 係咩咧？undermine kind of 咧係解可能係解削弱啦，OK 又或者咧係可能係睇低咗自己啊 whatever 咁樣，咁所以咧都係一個 negative 嘅字眼，再嚟啦。depraved，OK 係啦，因為 d 啊嘛，我哋咧從呢個字頭，我哋從呢個 prefix 裏面咧，我哋大概可以估到呢一個字都係屬於一個 negative 嘅嘢。好啦，咁啊，所以咧當佢咁樣講啦，佢就話喂佢咧就 claims that 咧呢個一啲人 the man 係講緊咧人類，我冇記喺以前裏面咧 the man 唔係就係講男人啦，而係講 overall 嘅人類。好啦，咁啊，總之人類咧一 reflect 其實佢就係一個 depraved animal 啦。OK，好啦，咁所以咧喺呢個位置咧，佢條題目咧就好有趣啦。咁喺呢度咧就講啦，誒乜佢唔係互相矛盾咩？又或者咧啲學生就發現，咦佢好似有筆喎。OK，佢呢一句有筆喎，因為佢講緊呢個人本身係哲學家，而哲學家嗱呢個位咧就會靠你有啲 common sense。哲學家本身係做咩啊？哲學家就係思考噶嘛。係嘛？一定會諗嘢噶嘛。OK，咁所以咧喺呢個位置咧，啲學生咧就覺得乜嘢？覺得你呢個位答得唔夠準確嘅係咧，首先點解咧？啲學生咧覺得佢係鬧緊自己咧？OK 係啦，因為首先你第一個位你要答嘅就係咧，it is because 咧，OK。呢個人啦，OK 係啦，Rousseau，OK 係啦，或者你全名咁樣串出嚟都得啦，OK，is the one who reflect，OK 係啦，so he is 一個嘅 depraved animal according to his own words。OK 係啦，咁樣所以佢覺得，喂，點解學生覺得佢 undermining itself 咧？咁你就答，喂，因為佢就係話緊自己，咁所以你咧第一個位你可以話，喂，因為佢其實咪就係正正嗰個人係思考咯，佢就正正係會思考嘅一個人，所以其實佢係話緊自己，咁所以你可以講，哦，譬如咧個 student thinks that、there is 一個嘅contradiction 啦，OK。When he himself is a person who reflect a lot，OK，好啦，咁啊，但係咧就係被形容係一個 depraved animal 啦，咁所以對佢嚟講就好似鬧緊自己咁樣啦，OK，好啦，咁啊呢個正確啦，非常好啦，咁啊呢度其實佢想帶入就係 critical thinking，係啦，就係講緊啲人咧好中意咧去 challenge 問題，好中意去問問題，而且咧亦都好中意咧去 show off，O 唔 OK 係啦，咁啊即係係啦，即係好中意去 show off 自己，即係好似咧，我喺堂上面反駁到你，仲我反駁到 professor 喎，OK，咁我就覺得自己好犀利啦，OK 係啦，咁佢會有一種莫名嘅滿足感啦，或者咧準確啲嚟講咧，佢覺得自己好聰明，係嘛？佢 feel satisfied，或者咧佢哋覺得乜嘢？佢哋 they feel like 即係可能 they are smart 咯。係嘛 ？They are smart 咧，to challenge 咧，to successfully 成功地 challenge 嗰啲嘅 famous 嘅 professor 或者嗰啲 famous 嘅author 或者我哋叫 scholar 呢啲學者又好啦。OK 係啦，好咁咧係啦，因為你見到咧佢呢度咧，佢下面咧就係講啦，佢就講咧呢個人咧。 trying not to sound too weary， 佢就講緊咧 ，OK，I asked the student to imagine that the authors had already considered this issue， 係啦，咁佢就覺得喂難度啊，即係喺作者 perspective， 作者呢個阿 Michael 係咩人嚟嘅咧？佢就係 probably 係一個大學 professor 啦，OK 係啦，咁所以佢 probably 就話而家咧 currently 有一個咩狀況，就係啲學生好中意咧去嘗試去 challenge 係 critical thinking， 有啲位置固然係好啦，但係有啲位置佢哋問埋啲問題，佢就覺得喂乜你覺得以前嗰啲 author 佢冇諗過咩？佢哋係 already consider 呢啲嘅 issue 啦，OK 好啦，咁所以咧佢咧於作者嘅角度，佢就覺得乜嘢咧 ？Instead of trying to find mistakes in the text， 佢覺得咧佢哋應該咧，佢就覺得我哋 take the point of view that 我哋嘅 authors 係刻意去 create 一啲 apparent 嘅 contradiction， 呢啲刻意嘅矛盾 ，in order to 係啦嗱，呢啲又係。我哋上邊講過啦，一啲嘅 conjunction 為了去 get readers like us to ponder more about interesting questions， 係啦，咁所以喺作者嘅理解裏面，佢就覺得喂點解刻意會有呢啲所謂嘅矛盾出現，或者你會覺得咁奇怪，就係其實佢整出嚟咧係刻意讓到你去思考呢啲嘅問題。OK， 好啦，咁然後佢就how do you think about inequality learning for example or how can we stand on our own feet while being open to inspiration from world around us？ 咁呢一個係咩咧？係一啲 example 去講嘅，喂點解嗰啲嘅 authors 嘗試咧去做到一啲 contradiction 俾你，而目標就係想你去思考啲問題，例如諗下 inequality 啦，例如學下 learning 啦，又或者去明白究竟我哋應該如何去即係揀我哋嘅立場咧，當可能係一啲即係喺一啲議題上面，或者喺一啲爭拗裏面 ，OK 係啦，咁所以咧佢前面咧就係想表達呢一個咁樣嘅意思啦。好，咁咧跟住咧係啦，咁呢個位都冇乜問題啦。咁咧呢個位 it，OK 係啦，嗱呢啲 refers to 嘅題目咧，唔該盡量同我攞足晒佢啦。咁呢個位咧，我哋要睇翻究竟個 it 睇下先第11行，好。第11行呢度 it 係嘛？嗱呢度 it is a sign of sophistication。好啦，前面嗰句 refers 翻去前面嗰句講嘅嘢，而前面嗰句你首先同我分好咗先。SVO，S 個 subject 係咩？個 subject 唔係就咁 strong critical skills 喎，係講緊 having， 重點係嗰個動作啊，重點係你擁有呢一種咁強嘅 critical skills， 係代表住咧 you will not be easily fooled， 即係代表住你好 smart 啦，係咪？好啦，咁it is a sign of sophistication 啦，咁即係一啲好嘅嘢啦，係咪 ？OK， 好啦，咁we couple with acknowledgement of one's privilege， 啲人會覺得喂有一種優越感啦，覺得自己係一種特權啦。當佢可以咧擁有呢一個咁強嘅 critical skills 嘅時候，咁所以咧我哋咧 trace back 翻去前一句，咁我哋睇準啲 ，OK， 你睇下你立前後，你有冇 miss 咗佢成個 subject 究竟係咩 ？OK 嗱，所以喺呢個位咧，我哋知道咧佢用咗個 gerund 係嘛 ，having a strong critical skills 成嚿嘢。動名詞本身 have， 然後你將佢擺喺個 subject 位，你就要將佢變做gerund verb 加 ing 變做 having， 咁佢咧就會由 verb 變做 noun 嘅詞性，咁佢先可以符合係咧 subject 嘅呢個部分啦。咁所以咧呢一條題目咧唔小心啫 ，OK 好，咁跟住啦。咁咧跟住咧，我哋咧去到下面咧我哋去到呢一個，佢就叫你 complete 呢個 summary of paragraph 3同埋 4 by choosing one word from the egg option。OK 啦，咁的確咧呢度有啲字咧唔係好識咧係難啲嘅。OK 係啦，咁而全部都係 adjective 嚟㗎。咁但係我哋可以點樣去推論佢咧？係啦，咁我哋可以睇下先。佢就講緊咧 according to Roth 啦，咁即係個作者啦 author。咁咧 the kind of thinking honed at 呢個 college 咧 is unproductive 係嘛？即係佢覺得冇用啦係嘛？當佢 leave 個 campus 啦，咁所以第一個影相位，第一個我哋留意嘅位就係 leave the campus， 咁佢係其中一個 keywords 部分。好啦，第二個 however 咧 students believe it makes them more， 但係咧學生嘅角度嗱，咁即係一個 kind of 係嘗試咗一個相反嘅角度係嘛？咁所以呢個位咧會係一啲可能係好嘅嘢啦係嘛？啲學生咧相信咧呢一樣嘢咧會令到佢哋覺得自己更加咩咧嗱 satisfying 都近㗎啦 OK 啦，咁我哋可以再睇下 exactly 第3、第4段佢想講啲咩，然後啦 although 儘管其他人可能未 feel they are just being something OK 啦，咁所以咧嗱 although 咁要儘管 如此，咁即係咧，其實咧佢呢一個呢個係負面啦，然後佢話喂，但係 OK，咁即係呢個係正面啦，但係呢度又有個 although，咁都係負面啦。咁所以首先咧，我哋已經篩走咗一大部分嘅答案啦，就係我哋分析咗究竟佢個答案係正面定係負面先啦。好啦，再嚟咧，我哋去睇 paragraph 3。好啦，頭先我講嘅 paragraph 3，佢一開始佢講嘅就係喂，呢一度第一個理解到嘅位就係佢覺得喂 having a strong critical skills show that you will not be easily fooled。咁即係咩意思啊？你唔會咁容易俾人呃到啦。咁即係 kind of 聰明啦，係嘛？即係代表住你幾 smart 喎。OK 係啦，咁啊呢個係其中一個佢 kind of 會講嘅位啦。好啦，咁啊跟住再嚟咯喎 The combination of resistance to influence and deflection of responsibility by confessing to one's advantages is OK 哇超級長，喊出嚟 OK 係啦，好喊出嚟勁長。咁但係我哋點樣拆解佢咧？嗱，首先我哋第一步要做嘅即係分開咗 SVO 先。OK，subject 係啲咩 ？verb 係啲咩 ？object 係啲咩？好啦，首先我哋望到呢度 is， 咁佢係屬於一個 verb to be 啦。好啦，咁即係換言之，前面呢一句喊出嚟 ，the combination of 嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟去到呢度，佢係咩咧？佢係 subject 嚟嘅。好，咁我哋咧細拆一下佢個 subject 係咩嚟嘅咯喎。好，首先佢呢度咧講緊嘅 combination of resistance to influence，OK 係啦。咁啊佢有一種 resistance to influence。嗱喺呢個位咧，佢咧 B2 或者DSE 嘅 reading 咧，佢經常有一樣嘢會做，就係佢會不斷咁樣轉字。係啦，咁佢究竟轉嗰啲咩字咧？佢就話喂 combination 一種嘅組合啦，或者一個嘅混合啦，混合啲乜嘢啊？就或者佢哋係點啊？佢哋係 resistant to influence。resistance 係一種拒絕嗱，起碼我哋將一啲起碼我哋有機會會識嘅字，我哋譯咗先。resistant 拒絕，或者係一種抗力啊，一種抵抗啊，抗力啊。抵抗啲咩咧？其實嗰種抵抗對於乜嘢啊？備受影響嘅抵抗。咁其實咪就係講緊，喂啲人佢只係用咗換咗另外一種表達方法去強調啲人係 being critical 咯，係咪啊？啲人 being critical 其中一個樣就係點啊？其中一個就係佢哋會抵抗被影響咯，抵抗呢啲嘅影響係嘛？即係覺得我唔會即刻信㗎，你講我唔會即刻信㗎，我 resist to 你哋呢啲 influence 先，同埋咧呢個deflection of responsibility，OK 係啦，咁啊 kind of 係講緊同一樣嘢啦。就算呢一個你唔知咩叫 deflection of responsibility 咧，由於呢度係講緊 and，然後你大概知道咧都係講緊佢抵抗一啲嘅影響啦。咁但係成句嘢你大概理解到咩叫抵抗一啲嘅影響力咧？咁其實咪真係代表住 being critical 咯。因為佢成另外一個位你點樣估咧？就係你睇翻文章成篇文嘅 overall 主題。咁咧，你就會揾到個答案㗎啦。咁所以咧，都 make sense 喎。而呢一樣嘢係點啊？透過 by 啦，係嘛？嗱，呢啲字，呢啲 by 啊 ，with 啊 through 啊，其實我哋知道咧，佢係屬於一個副詞位，佢係攞嚟 kind of 咧去做一啲嘅修飾，或者去做一啲嘅補充，係啦。咁所以佢講到，喂，啲人咧係點樣啦？即係佢點樣去 being critical？透過咧 confessing to one's 嘅 advantage，OK 係啦，去展現自己嘅 advantage 啦，係嘛？咁啊，佢覺得喂 is a sure sign of one's ability 係嘛？即係咁樣做，咁樣做即係咩啊？being critical 咯，即係可能係好似上面咁樣 OK 係啦，去 challenge 你啊，或者去顯示到自己唔會咁容易信你㗎，我要質疑下你先，OK 嗰啲嘢。係一個咧 sure sign of 一個 one's ability， 一個人嘅能力去 negotiate the politics of learning on campus 係嘛？即係佢覺得喂係睇落去係一種人嘅一種能力去 negotiate， 咁即係一啲好嘢啦，係嘛？啲人咧覺得係一啲好嘅嘢。好啦 ，but this ability will not take you very far beyond 係嘛？咁即係佢講緊喂係喎，佢覺得喂唔會 take you very far beyond 㗎，係唔會令到你行得好遠㗎。taking things apart 或者 taking people down， 的確咁樣做咧，係會令到人咧有一種 satisfaction of cynicalism， 但係咧呢個咧只係一個thin 嘅 girl，OK 係啦，好嗱，咁所以咧喺呢一條題目裏面咧，我覺得答唔到咧係好正常嘅，咁啊但係咧其中一個位咧我哋可以貼到嘅咧就係第二個嗱 satisfying 咧。個學生咧，嗱呢一個係佢一個結果啫，OK 係啦。咁啊，因為咧佢點解你要諗下喎？你再中間有一步就係點解令到佢哋中間會有 satisfaction 啊？就係因為佢覺得咁樣做頭先佢講過啦，係 show that they will not be easily fooled 啦，同埋佢突顯咗佢某啲嘅 ability。咁所以喺呢個位咧，其實係突顯佢哋比較 smart 嘅，OK。 係啦，係比較 smart 嘅，OK。咁所以喺呢個位咧，你就會估到，喂，其實咧 intelligent 咧係更加貼切個答案，因為正正係因為佢展示完佢嘅 intelligent，而就係因為佢展示到佢嘅 intelligent 可以砌低一啲可能好有聲望嘅學者啊，好有一啲學術嘅權威啊，因此最終佢可以感受到 satisfaction， 佢哋就覺得可以更加 satisfying 啦。咁所以咧喺中間嗰一步其實直接啲，佢想去 show off 自己係好聰明先嘅。OK， 好啦，咁啊而最後啦，儘管其他人咧覺得佢哋咧只係乜嘢，佢哋咧只係 being cynical。cynical 呢個字咧係解憤世嫉俗，咁啊呢一條咧理解答唔到咧都係好 make sense 嚟啦。有啲題目我話俾你聽，真係難啲答嘅，咁你可以唔使點理佢。好啦，咁啊去到後面 very good 啦，咁啊然後咧我哋去到第66條啦。OK， 好啦 ，according to paragraph 9， 話咁快我哋跳到第9段啦。In what two ways have people changed, contributing to the changes in their cultural life？OK， 係啦，咁啊講緊咧佢哋咧係改變咗佢哋嘅思想啦，佢哋嘅思考啦，可能係轉變咗啦，亦都導致到咧會成個文化環境 cultural change 咧都有轉變嘅。好啦，咁我哋睇下第9段。好啦，第9段佢講咩 ？Of course, critical reflection 咧係 fundamental 啦，to teaching 同埋 scholarship 啦。OK 係啦，嗱，通常呢啲咧前面嗰啲我哋呢啲叫讓步式句型啊，雖然但係係咪？雖然嗰句咧都唔係重點，但係後面嗰個 but 咧先係個重點，係啦。咁所以我哋睇下 but 乜嘢咧？好啦 ，but 咧某啲嘅 disbelief， 好啦 ，disbelief 係不信。好啦，咁好明顯 probably 呢個係一個 verb 加 ing 係一個動詞。乜嘢呢啲不信咧？咁你大概咪作一啲咯？乜嘢不信？嗱，你要等於 critical 喎，好似一條數學 formula 咁樣。乜嘢啲不信？我嘅 disbelief 喺呢個社會上面可能係乜嘢啲 disbelief 咧？係代表住等於 being critical。咁 being critical 咁即係啲人不信啦。咁即係乜嘢啲不信啊？可能係宣傳啲不信啦，或者係周圍令到人哋不信啦。OK 係啦。咁所以 fetishizing 咧就係解緊就係解緊可能不斷去提倡啊、鼓舞啊嗰啲嘢啦。OK， 令到呢一樣嘢去興起啊咁樣。OK，disbelief 咧 and a sign of intelligence 係嘛？喺呢度有講，喂，當你不斷咧強調你咧唔好咁輕易信人，係代表住 a sign of intelligence 係嘛？係導致到咧 depleting 我哋嘅 cultural resources 係啦。呢個第一個位，佢講緊喂，其實係有影響嘅喎，影響到啲咩啊？影響到第一個位。喂，其實係影響到我哋嘅resources 啦，OK 係啦，好咁啊，所以咧嗱呢個位，佢問你喺個文化裏面有咩轉變咧？嗱，第一個位你可以大體嚟講，你可以話喂，啲人開始 critical thinking 係嘛？佢講緊喂，正正係 critical reflection， 所以咧令到啲人多咗去宣傳不信係嘛？喺呢個社會裏面 as a sign of intelligence 啦，呢個係可行嘅答案。又或者你可以講，喂，佢呢度都有講喎 contributed to， 你可以話貢獻啦。但係咧，如果係講負面嘢，我哋都可以講導致嘅，導致到乜嘢 depleting of 我哋嘅 cultural resources。咁即係例如 depleting 喎，咁即係正面定負面啊 ？D 喎，又係 D 係少咗，咁即係削弱啦、減少啦，係啦。消耗緊啦，我哋咧成個整體嘅文化 resources 點解啊？譬如我哋講緊 creative work 啦 ，it depends on commitment 係吧 ？The energy of participation 同埋 ability to become absorbed in the works of literature, art 同埋 a science，OK 係啦。咁佢講緊喂，其實咧，如果你呢個世界上面咧，如果你想我哋成個社會多啲一啲 artwork， 多啲喺文化裏面嘅投入，其實背後咧係需要一啲嘅 commitment。OK 一種嘅堅決嘅肯定同埋投入，而呢一樣嘢咧係需要咧你願意咧去投入喺一啲文學啊、藝術啊同埋科學啊裏面。OK 係啦，咁啊但係咧正係點樣啦？正咧呢一種嘅 absorption 咧係 becoming endangered species of cultural life 係嘛？嗱呢度 keywords cultural life 呢一種 type of absorption 乜嘢 absorption 啊？OK 係啦，咁你又可以講喂邊種 absorption 就係對於呢啲可能對於一啲 literature、art 同埋 science 嘅 absorption 係少咗，點解啊？因為啲人太過 critical 咯，係嘛？見到啲人相比去了解同埋去浸淫自己落去呢啲思想裏面，佢哋反而係選擇去覺得批評或者覺得呢一樣嘢一定係唔好㗎啦，一定係唔掂㗎啦。OK 係啦，咁所以對於佢哋嚟講咧，佢就覺得哇咁呢個唔係好掂噃。OK 係啦。 好，咁佢講緊咧 as our non-stop 啦，同埋咧伴隨住咧，因為我哋有一個乜嘢因為我哋一個 non-stop 啦，同埋一個 increasingly fracture technological existence 係令到我哋每個人嘅 receptive 嘅 capabilities 咧係衰退咗嘅。OK 係啦，咁啊所以咧準確啲嚟講咧，就可以首先係講講，喂其實第一個位我嘅答案就係 depleting 我哋嘅 cultural resources 啦，直接講嘅喺社會上面整體藝術嘅資源少咗。第二就係咧呢一種嘅 absorption， 對於咩 absorption 咧就係 literature、art 同埋 science 嘅 absorption 咧係越嚟越少嘅。咁啦，可能話 being endangered 啦，或者越嚟越少啦。OK 係啦，好咁啊，或者咧呢一個 receptive 嘅 capability 係啦 capacities receptive 即係一種接受程度啦，對於唔同事物嘅接受程度咧下降咗。咁都係講緊成個文化嘅成個文化領域裡面嘅一個影響咯。OK， 咁所以咧呢個咧就會係個答案啦。係啦，咁所以呢度你話個 ability， 佢問你個 changes 啊，所以你要話俾我聽 what is the changes？What is the changes？OK， 所以譬如你話 ability， 你會講乜嘢 ability 啊？少咗啦，係嘛？一個 decreasing， 或者佢哋失去咗呢一種 ability 去 absorb in 呢個 work of literature、art 同埋science。OK， 係啦。In what ways？In what two ways？ 同埋譬如如果你見到 in what ways 咧，其實佢問你 how people change 係嘛 ？how 啲人轉變，乜嘢轉變咗啊？佢哋轉咗啲乜嘢 ？What is the change？ 佢哋轉咗啲咩，導致到成個 cultural life 都唔同咗。OK， 第一個講嗰啲人啊嘛。OK， 佢哋咧就係不斷咁宣傳一啲 disbelief 啦，作為個 sign of intelligence， 所以導致到咧就會點啊？成個文化嘅氣候啦，成個文化嘅環境啦都唔同咗。第二個就係佢哋嗰種嘅能力，嗰種接收能力或者責任自己喺 literature 啦、art 啦、science 裡面嘅能力咧，都係削弱咗嘅。咁呢個位咧，亦都係你可以你就揾到個答案啦。OK， 因為佢問你 how， 所以你一定要答到佢實際上係啲乜嘢，佢唔係問你 what 啊嘛。我就算問你 what， 就呢個講得本身 ability to absorb in the works of literature、art 同埋 science， 佢係一個中性嘅嘢。咁但係佢哋講一啲 negative， 正正係因為有一啲我哋睇落去唔好嘅嘢出現咗，所以我哋先導致到喺文化 cultural life 裏面，我哋有啲唔好嘅嘢出現，係啦，咁所以 negative 啦，咁所以呢度你一定要講，喂 losing ability 啦，係嘛，咁樣 OK， 咁你先會答到個答案嘅。好啦，咁啊 very good， 咁啊跟住咧，我哋咧又去到74條啦，咁74條咧亦都係其實咧都難難地嘅 OK， 咁你答到第一條啦，而第二條咧佢就要去你就要去估下啦，首先 critical。有咩意思咧？譬如 critical 其實係解關鍵，OK 係啦。咁所以咧佢講緊喂一個 critical condition 啊，即係佢講緊喂其實係一個好焦急、好關鍵、好重要嘅一個一個時期啊，係嘛？即係佢其實 kind of 係想講咧 the situation of 呢啲嘅 younger generation。Being critical is 乜嘢啊？可能係 is very important 啊。OK 係吧？係好 important 好重要，我哋去理解佢嘅。OK 好啦，咁所以咧睇完成篇文之後咧，其實我哋不斷見到咧佢個一句脈絡，佢個主軸咧都係不斷講緊，就係喂其實咧2015年呢一篇文佢講緊，喂而家啲人越嚟越中意咧去 criticize， 但係喺咧佢哋 criticize 嘅背後，其實可能冇諗過，其實作者背後咧可能係諗過呢啲問題啦，亦都冇諗過點解佢特登突顯一啲睇落去好似北位或者啲矛盾位，其實事實上咧係想你去思考，但係啲人就會覺得一定係佢廢啦，我好威啦，佢哋都係處於自己去諗住 glorify 自己啦，諗住去 show off 自己 ability 啦，show off 自己睇落去有幾聰明啦，但係佢冇思考到嘅其實人哋係有諗過呢一樣嘢嘅。OK 係啦，又或者佢亦都會正係因為咧不斷抱住質疑嘅角度，令到佢哋少咗一啲機會咧去學習更多嘢，或者少咗一啲機會咧去了解呢個世界啦，從一個更唔同、更多方面嘅 perspective 去睇呢個世界。咁所以對於佢嚟講咧，佢其實唔係想講個 pros and cons 㗎，佢冇講過個 pros 㗎喎，其實佢冇點講過 critical thinking 嘅好㗎，佢不斷其實都係講緊，喂佢到最後佢收尾都係講緊，喂其實你建設就好容易，你建設好難啊！你要成立一個理論，或者你要建立一套知識體系出嚟咧，其實好難。但係你破壞佢都好簡單，你只要透過你啲言語或者係散播謠言，係咁同人哋散播 要拆毀佢咧，要 destroy 一啲嘅 theories， 一啲嘅 knowledge 嘅 system 咧，其實好容易，但係建立咧呢啲可能係花咗人哋10幾20年甚至成個世紀去做嘅嘢，係啦，咁所以你好明顯見到佢就係覺得，喂，你哋係時候要注意去叫而家呢一代嘅人反思下，你哋嘅 critical thinking 究竟係因為啲咩而變 critical 咧？佢通常佢話，就算你話佢有讚嘅位咧，佢通常都係作為一個先破後立，係嘛？佢覺得，喂，雖然有啲人咧，係嘛，成日都雖然噶嘛，雖然有啲人覺得 critical thinking 咧係好 intelligent，但係係嘛？咁所以其實喺呢個位咧，佢個 focus 嘅重點係喺個但係，而係佢又想啲人諗清楚究竟你 critical thinking 為乜，同埋你呢個所謂嘅 liberal education 究竟係講緊啲乜？OK 係啦，咁所以喺佢嘅角度咧，其實佢係有一個立場喺度㗎。咁所以咧個答案咧就會係 A 啦。好，咁所以咧去到最後啦，我哋咧都睇翻啦呢個 Laura 就好似我啱啱所講啦，究竟呢個 Laura 呢個人啊，佢點嘅咧？係啦，咁佢話咧，it take months to years to design to build a structure， 就係好似我所講啦。但係當然你唔能夠照抄啦，即係你會講，喂，可能一個人咧去 build up 或者係成功 establish 去 promote 一個嘅 theory 或者係一個 knowledge system 啦，係啦。咁啊 most are incapable of doing this。其實啲 haters 啲人去 hate 佢咧，其實佢哋根本自己係建立唔到一套知識體系，佢哋做唔到呢樣嘢，佢哋淨係識嘅拆毀佢，係咪 take hours 同埋 less skill to wreck it？OK 啦，即係你破壞佢咧 wreck it 咧，即係你破壞佢咧，其實好容易。咁所以其實咪就係同呢個作者思考嘅一樣咯。佢都鼓勵，喂，其實我哋嘅 liberal education 唔應該 limit itself into critical thinking, problem solving。我哋一定要有咩 openness, participation 同埋 opportunity， 係嘛？咁所以你見到佢呢個作者其實佢批評緊而家啲人就太過 critical 咯，係嘛？我覺得呢篇文俾香港嘅學生睇咧係好正嘅，係啦。究竟大家會唔會有多啲 openness？ 會唔會有多啲 participation 咧？會唔會多啲 inclusiveness 咧？定還是一味當乜嘢出到嚟嘅時候都淨係識得批評啦？係啦，香港嘅 culture 就係喺 threads 啊、IG 啊一啲 comment 嘅地方，你總會見到好多嗰啲嘅haters 係啦，或者啲 critics， 咁佢哋會好中意喺上面嗶哩吧啦講嘢 OK 係啦，但係佢冇諗過究竟做到一啲 achievement 嘅人背後付出咗幾多努力，付出咗幾多嘅心血咁樣係啦，咁所以你見到佢呢度最後佢嘅立場咧，覺得應該要 promote openness、participation、opportunity 係嘛？我哋應該咧要去增加我哋嘅 capacity，understand、contribute to the world 係嘛？而唔係一味淨係識得批評。我哋用批評嘅時間，倒不如我哋去建立價值。OK，咁呢一個其實就係作者佢想帶出嘅嘢係啦。咁所以其實有陣時我哋睇到佢最後咧 kind of 一個 conclusion 嘅位咧，我哋就會大概理解到。咁所以你既然見到其實呢兩個人咧，佢個立場咧都係講緊，喂，其實 critical thinking 係唔好嘅。OK，咁所以呢度你達成咗個共識先，好啦，然後咧咁你 focus，原來佢呢度係強調緊，係啲人都根本上咧，佢哋唔能夠去 build up 到呢啲嘅 theory， 呢啲嘅 knowledge， 但係佢哋咧就好容易咧去 destroy 佢，係啦，咁所以咧呢個咧就會咧係個答案啦。OK，咁所以咧佢個答案係唔容許你照抄嘅，但係你只需要講咗呢個 structure， 譬如呢個 structure stand for 啲咩咧？可能係一啲嘅 theory 啦，一啲嘅 knowledge 啦。係啦，可能一啲嘅 argument 啦，或者一啲嘅 ideas 啦，OK， 係啦，咁但係咧佢哋啲人咧就會唔願意去創建佢啦，又或者你會覺得喂 ，it is 咧 more easy 去做咩啊？去 destroy 係啦，去 destroy 或者 criticize 呢啲嘅 theories 啦、knowledge or argument 咧 ，than to make one。係啦 by themselves， 咁呢個咧就會咧係個答案啦。OK， 好啦，咁所以咧純粹係呢個位啫。咁其他咧其實咧大部分咧你都掌握得幾好嘅呢一篇文。咁所以我覺得呢一篇文咧其實都幾好睇嘅。OK，咁所以其實純粹就可能前面有啲少少 minor 嘅位啦，咁有少少一兩個唔夠準確嘅地方啦。咁所以如果呢一篇咧上到30分咧，佢滿分先係40零分，係啦。咁所以咧你上到30分咧，其實咧已經算唔錯噶啦。OK， 好，咁所以咧2015嘅 B2 咧，咁我哋就講到呢度啦。